Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your large mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you it's like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and then you're looking for large mobile app, or just click on search, then here add loads mobile app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then you search here for loads mobile app, it's going to show for you like this. So then we will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking